Fourth problem, the sum of the reciprocals of Raymond's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Solution for a fourth problem. Let the present age of Raymond's be x years. 3 years ago Raymond's age is equal to x minus 3, and its reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3. Raymond's age 5 years from now is equal to x plus 3, and its reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5. 1 by x plus 5. According to the question, the sum of the reciprocal of his ages is 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Taking LCM on LHS, x minus 3 into x plus 5, these are coprimes, that's why we can take like this: x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 1x 2x, 5 minus 3 plus 2 by x into x square, x into 5 5x, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus into plus minus 3 5 are 15 is equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. On cross multiply, x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 2s are 6x, 3 2s are 6, x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0. We can factorize to find the square roots 1 minus 21 is minus 21 minus 21 is equal to 3 sevens. To get middle term minus 4x, we should keep minus for 7, then we can get 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. So we can split this middle term, x square plus 3x minus 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. X is common, x plus 3 minus 7 is common, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is common, x plus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 7. But x can't be negative. So x is equal to 7. Therefore, the present age of Rahman is 7 years. Question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Solution for problem 5. Given sum of the marks in maths and English is equal to 30. Let Maulika's marks in maths be x, then our marks in English is equal to 30 minus x. If she got 2 more marks in maths, then our marks would be we took x for maths, so marks would be x plus 2. So this is equation 1 to identification. If she got 3 marks less in English, then our marks would be English 30 minus x. So 30 minus x minus 3, that is equal to 30 minus 3, 27 minus x. This is equation 2. According to the problem, according to the question, the sum of product of here given, the product of our marks would have been 210. Product of our marks here equation 1, here equation 2. X plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210 is given. So this is given. Now we have to solve the equation. X into 27 x into x minus x square, 2 into 27 54, 2 into minus x minus 2x is equal to 210. 27 here minus 2x, so 25x minus x square plus 54 is equal to 210. We have to shift these all terms to right side because the sign of x square term, x square is minus, that's why. So this will minus plus minus 25x square plus x square minus 54 plus 210 only. We are transposing that side only, that's why. Plus x square minus 25x minus 54, 210 minus 54, 10 minus 4 6, 10 minus 5 here 1 only, 156 plus 156 is equal to 0. We have to factorize. First to split into middle term. To split into middle term we have to do like this. 1 into 156 is equal to 156. 156 is equal to minus 25. So 12 13s are minus 12 into minus 13 is equal to minus 12, minus 13 is equal to minus 25. So x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 12. 13 is common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is again common, x minus 13 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12 or x is equal to 13. X means what? Maths. If x is equal to 12, then our marks in maths 12 and English 30 minus 12 18. If x is equal to 13, then our marks in maths 13 and English 30 minus 13 is equal to 17. So these are two answers.